going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and it's been a minute since I've done a video on BankRollBucks, but I want to show you that I'm still making money with it. I'm still cashing out. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial and cash out in this video, just showing you what I'm doing, making money with it. All right. So here's the homepage. You'll see here they have pretty much deals going on all the time right here. Complete 3 offers, win 5 bankrolls. All offers over 10 BankRollBucks count. I love doing offers just because they're very simple, quick. You just have to look at what they're asking you to do. You'll see here on the offer walls all the different ones that they have, so you can kind of go through and just see what you like. Like for example, I look at some right here. I'll go to Add Gate Media Wall real quick. So here it is, and I kind of just scroll down and see what I like, what I feel like I can complete. Um, Let me see. A lot of these are games that you can play, but they probably have some other ones on here. I'm trying to show you. Or maybe if I filter it, let me see that. Oh, no, it's not filtered. So, like I said, they have lots of different orders. You can pretty much just scroll down. Um, Let me see right here. Just play a game. First time users only play any 2 games. 35 points for that, which is equivalent to 35 cents. It doesn't take long. Like I said, a lot of these on here are games, but just look at what they're saying in the description. First time user play a trivia, 35 cents again. It's very easy. Again, first time play any 2 games, 35 cents. So like playing games, play for 10 minutes. That's all you have to do. You don't have to really give them any personal information. You're just playing games. Right here, you can watch 25 rewarded videos. So in there, you're getting paid to watch the videos. And on top of that, they give you 31 cents for doing that. So, I mean, the money really adds up when you just do simple things like that. Let me go to the other offers on here. So these are some other offers that they have. These are more survey based right here. You can complete surveys right here, 60 cents for these, or 50 bankrolls. Like I said, 1 bankroll equals 1 cent. But these are different surveys that they have pop up pretty much all the time, every day. They also have ads that you can click on. Again, these here are every day paid to click. Just clicking on these, they have ones they'll pretty much throw throughout the day. You don't get a lot for clicking on the ads, but it's just, one of them things where you just keep on doing it, it builds up, right? So like, just pay attention to what they're asking you to do. Lots of different things on here. You can look at the shout box here and see what different users are doing, and you can complete those pretty much the same way. So you'll see that people are completing them, and this is a site that people are active on. The admin of this site is really great. They're paying on time, giving you updates of changes going on with the website. It's been around a long time, so I mean that's really good in this industry. If get paid to sites where some may not be around long, but the ones like this one, BankRollBucks, I consider it one of the staples because it's just consistent and getting people paid. So now I will go over to withdraw. You see here I have 420 BankRollBucks. That is equivalent to $4.20. So first I will go ahead and convert that over to cash. So I click on converter here and I will just pretty much convert the whole thing. 420. I'll leave the 0.38 because it doesn't really, that's not going to do anything anyway. So click on convert to cash. Now you see here, cash, $4.20. So now I'm ready to withdraw that into my PayPal account. So I click on cash withdrawal here. And you'll see here you need a minimum of $1 in order to cash out. They also have other ways you can get paid. You can get paid by your bank down here. They send it out on Fridays. It's a minimum of $5 in doing it that way. But for me, I just like doing PayPal. So like I said, the minimum is $1. I got $4.20. They're going to take out a 2% a fee for doing that. Not a big deal. I'm going to type in my PayPal account again here. This is just to confirm that they have the right one on file. Just making sure it matched. And after that, I just click on withdraw. And there you have it. Your withdrawal has been added to the pending list. And on this site, I usually get paid the same day. So there you have it, $4.20. Quick little cash out. It doesn't take a lot to do on this site, but it's consistent money, surveys, offers, playing a lot of games. Again, they have these little specials that you can do. So you're making money on top of money. Right here, I didn't even mention Tap Research, a really good survey provider because they pay you disqualification points. So, there's something on here that you can do and make money with. All you got to do is get started with it by clicking on the link in the description. It is completely free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.